Hi everyone, I am going to be doing an unboxing video for Chicago Diamond Edition on Blu-ray and digital. I got this from Amazon. Here's the front, spine, and back right here. Special features are Worlds Remastered with over 2 hours of bonus content, better picture and sound than ever with remastered. Hold on, I don't think that is. Okay, yeah. Special features are Chicago in the spotlight, a retrospective with cast and crew, extended musical performances, and the rest are just specifications. It's rated PG-13 for sexual content and dialogue, violence, and thematic elements, and it is 113 minutes. Open this up now. Okay. There's the disc in blue, digital code right there, and it comes in a good case. Nothing on the back of the digital code. Yep. That is going to do it for my unboxing for Chicago Diamond Edition on Blu-ray and digital. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.